Hey everyone!
It's me, Katrina Slivkoff here. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. So as you guys can tell by the title of this video, I'm packing for college. Woo! But yeah, so I hate long intros and this video is pretty self-explanatory. So let's just get right on into the video. Okay, let's start on clothes. So this year I have my own room, so it won't really matter how much I bring, but also my room is not the biggest, so I'm gonna try to limit myself to what I bring. So my closet is already separated out into like tank tops, t-shirts, long sleeves, like jackets. I'm gonna try to pick and choose what I'm gonna bring because some of the stuff I don't even wear anymore, so you can also pick through the stuff and donate your old clothes too while you're packing. So I like to put my clothes in trash bags. You'll see what I mean by that, but it's just really handy because once you see what I'm doing, it's just really easy to hang them up once you put them in the trash bag. So let's get to it. So I don't really wear these two anymore, so I'm probably not going to bring them, but a lot of these tank tops I do wear. But just look through them and try not to bring too many things, especially if you're going into the dorms. Sounds like a cute trendy little tank. Yeah, yes. Never really wear this one. And then for t-shirts, I don't have as many t-shirts as I do tank tops. I don't wear a lot of these t-shirts too, so just pick through these and decide what you're gonna bring. We're gonna bring this shirt. Yes, I wear this. I got this in like 8th grade. I don't really like this shirt, to be completely honest. Honestly, the shirt makes me look fat. We're gonna leave this here. This is like a good church shirt. We're gonna bring it. Okay, now these are my long sleeve shirts. I don't have many. I pretty much wear all of these long sleeves, so I'm just gonna bring all of them. We did it. I don't really wear this anymore, but like I really want to bring it. No, we're leaving it here. And then over here, these are just a bunch of my like jackets. And I wear most of them, and this is what I have the most of, so I'm probably gonna end up bringing all of them. Just like 2 piles of my jackets out of 4 fit in this box, so I'm taking the heavier stuff and I'm just gonna use 1 box for that, and then the rest of the clothes I think I can manage to carry. Also, I have some shoes up here. These are all pretty much in good condition except these white ones because I've worn these way too many times. So basically just pick out what shoes you want to bring because shoes are probably the heaviest clothing item you have. They are the heaviest clothing item you have. So I'm going to just bring these shoes, these ones. Probably not these ones actually because these are too small for me actually. And then I'm going to bring these running shoes and then my Birkenstocks and then my slides up here. Okay, so I have a bunch of t-shirts that I like to sleep in, and I don't know why I haven't gotten rid of a lot of them yet, but basically in my dorm last year, my t-shirts took up all my drawer space, so I'm gonna try to only bring like 7 sleeping t-shirts, and then the rest are like shirts that I just wear out, like to class, I guess. So just pick and sort through these. Of course, if you don't wear them, try to give them away. Yes, Sparta. Yes. Packed. This next drawer has all my jeans and like sweats in it. I pretty much wear all of these except probably these green pair of pants right here. So again, just look through these, see if you want to bring all of them, or if you don't, I'm gonna bring all of these. I'm gonna be wearing my sweats all the time. Probably gonna be wearing my jeans at least a couple times. I'm gonna bring these jeans. I don't think I've ever worn these jeans in my life. Woo! This drawer right here is like my undergarments. sports bras and like socks. So I'm pretty much gonna take all of this because this doesn't really take up too much space. Okay, and when it comes to bedding, I'm getting a completely different bed in San Jose. I'm actually getting a bigger bed, finally, woo! But I'm still gonna probably use some of these pillows. So I have quite a few here. I think I'm only gonna bring 3 of these and my body pillow. My body pillow is in the back right here. So the stuff I'm bringing on my desk, I'm gonna bring like none of this except for this organizer right here because I bought this specifically for my dorm, not my dorm room. I'm not staying in a dorm anymore. I have my own room. But I'm also have all my makeup right here. I'm gonna of course bring that. But that's pretty much all I'm bringing from my desk. So I have more items in these drawers. Yeah, I don't know. I have a lot of things. These have like my shorts and everything in it, so I'm probably gonna bring like all my shorts. And these have my leggings and stuff, so I'm gonna bring all my leggings, all my workout stuff. I'll probably end up bringing everything in this drawer because I wear all of this stuff a lot. I'm gonna try to limit myself, but it's really hard to. This box is pretty full. And in this drawer, I have some shoes in here. I don't wear half of these shoes, to be completely honest, because I never really wear sandals ever, but I have some high heels in there. I'll probably bring 1 to 2 pairs of high heels. But yeah, I'm probably not gonna bring a bunch of these because I don't really wear a lot of these ones. Probably should give away them. Oh my god! Are you having that baseball dinner thing again? What dress do you want me to wear? These are my hats. I wear most of them. I'm probably gonna bring these 2, this one, and this one, because those are the ones I actually wear. I don't really own too many hats, so this shouldn't be a problem. Then on the back of my door, I have a bunch of swimsuits. So I'm probably gonna bring all of these, probably some of these, and then I have a bunch in here too. But yeah, I have a lot of swimsuits, but I'll try to limit myself as best as I can. If you guys want to watch me pack the rest of my items from my room, make sure to stay tuned because I will be posting my move-in vlog in about a week. I'm also going to be posting a video once a week once school starts, so make sure to subscribe if you guys want to see all of that. So thank you guys so much for watching.